Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a task list here in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, I'll log into your Zoho Projects account. And once you're in here, just go to the left panel and click on Tasks. Okay, click on it. And at the top right, as you can see here, we have the blue button. And besides that, we have this drop down. And as you can see, we just unlocked a new feature that says Add Task List. Okay, you can go ahead and press C+A to add a task list. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. As you can see, it pops out this window. It says here, new task list. So just go ahead and add in the list. Okay. But before that, go ahead and select the project. Okay. For example, YouTube project right here. So let's just go ahead and add in the task list or a descriptive name for this specific task list, right? Say, for example, sample task list. Related phase right here. If you have any, just go ahead and choose a phase if you want to organize a list under a specific milestone. Okay. If you have created a milestone, you can go ahead and select that from here. If not, click on none. Task list flag. Go on drop down. Is it internal or external? Tags right here. Start typing your tags like so. And then once done, just click on add right here or add in some more. So now you can go ahead and add in a task for this specific task list. Okay. Add a task. Task 1, there you go. Task 2, hit on enter. Task 3, hit on enter. Okay. If you want to assign it to someone, just click on the unassigned button right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and assign this one to Miss Raya, this one as well, and this one as well. Okay. That's basically how you do it. That is how you create a task list here in Zoho Projects. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.